Ever wondered if mankind could survive on a different planet? This intriguing question has captured the imaginations of scientists, writers, and dreamers alike for centuries. It's a question that's more than just idle curiosity. It's a question of survival, of exploration, and of mankind's inherent desire to reach beyond the known frontiers. The reasons behind this curiosity are manifold. Firstly, there's the sheer thrill of exploration, the chance to see and experience environments entirely different from our own. It's the same urge that drove humanity to explore the deepest oceans and the highest peaks on Earth, now turned towards the vast expanse of the universe. But it's not just about exploration, there's also a more serious, more pressing reason behind this question. Our home planet, Earth, is facing a myriad of environmental issues: climate change, deforestation, pollution, to name just a few. While we should and are making efforts to solve these problems, it's also prudent to look at other options, other possibilities. It's about ensuring the survival of humanity should the worst happen. This brings us back to our original question. Could we survive on a different planet? Could we establish colonies on Mars or beneath the thick clouds of Venus? Could we float among the gas giants or perhaps burrow beneath the icy surfaces of distant moons? What would it take for us to survive and thrive in environments so different, so alien to our own? The answer to this question is complex, and it's one that we don't fully know yet. It involves understanding the conditions on these planets, their atmosphere, their gravity, their temperatures, and a whole host of other factors. It involves developing technologies capable of sustaining us in these environments, of providing us with the resources we need to survive. So is human survival on other planets a science fiction or a future reality? Let's dive into the conditions of each planet to find out. First stop, the red planet, Mars. Welcome to a world of red, where the terrain beneath us is a stark contrast to the familiar blues and greens of Earth. This is Mars, our neighbor and potentially our future home. The Martian atmosphere is primarily carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon, a far cry from the oxygen-rich air we breathe. The average temperature? A chilly -80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than the coldest winter in Antarctica. But don't pack your bags just yet. Despite its harsh conditions, Mars holds promise. Beneath its rusty surface, we've found water ice, an essential resource not only for survival but also for fuel production. Imagine harnessing the power of the red planet to journey even further into the cosmos. Yet, living on Mars wouldn't be a walk in the park. We would need to overcome numerous challenges. The thin atmosphere offers little protection from harmful solar radiation. The low gravity, just about a third of Earth's, could have long-term effects on our bodies. And then there's the Martian dust, fine and clingy. It could potentially wreak havoc on equipment and health, but we are a species of problem solvers. We've already sent rovers to explore the Martian landscape, to test the soil, to seek signs of past life. We're developing technologies for in-situ resource utilization, essentially turning Mars's resources into usable materials. Plans are in the works for greenhouses to grow food and habitats to shield us from radiation. Mars, with its rugged beauty and unforgiving conditions, beckons us. It challenges us to innovate, to adapt, to survive. It's a testament to our curiosity, our ambition, our indomitable spirit of exploration. Yes, Mars is harsh, it's cold, it's unforgiving, but it's also a world of incredible potential. A world that may one day be a second home for humanity. So Mars might be a challenging new home, but not an impossible one. Next, we journey to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. This gas giant is truly a marvel, teeming with extreme conditions that are simultaneously fascinating and deadly. Jupiter is the proud owner of the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth itself that has been raging for hundreds of years. Imagine, if you will, thunderheads reaching 40 miles high, with winds whipping around at over 200 miles per hour. But storms are just the beginning of Jupiter's inhospitable environment. The planet lacks a solid surface for us to stand on, instead comprising mostly of swirling gases and liquids. As if this weren't enough, Jupiter also boasts an intense radiation field, far stronger than anything we're exposed to on Earth. For now, the idea of human survival on Jupiter is as elusive as capturing the wind. It's a world that is spectacular in its might and majesty, but ultimately Jupiter, a spectacular gas giant, remains inhospitable for humans. Our next destination, the ringed beauty, Saturn. Saturn, similar to Jupiter, is a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. It's a beautiful planet, sure, but a harsh one too. Imagine being surrounded by dense clouds of ammonia with temperatures dropping to a bone-chilling -200 degrees Celsius. Not exactly a summer vacation spot, is it? The atmospheric pressure on Saturn is over 1,000 times that of Earth's. Imagine that weight pressing down on you constantly. It's like having an elephant sit on your chest. And let's not forget the extreme winds racing at over 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's about 5 times the speed of the fastest bullet train on Earth. Then there's the lack of a solid surface. You'd be forever falling, plummeting through layers of dense gas and icy particles. It's a free fall without an end. Saturn with its stunning rings remains a spectacle rather than a sanctuary. Finally, we visit the distant ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. These far-flung celestial bodies set in the icy depths of our solar system harbor conditions that are beyond harsh. They're downright hostile. Let's start with Uranus. It's a world of extreme cold, with temperatures plunging to -370 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold enough to freeze methane, a gas we're familiar with on Earth. And it's not just the cold that's an issue. Uranus is also home to violent winds that reach up to 560 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Then we move on to Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. Neptune is even colder than Uranus, with temperatures dropping to a bone-chilling -391 degrees Fahrenheit. And the winds, they're the fastest in the solar system, whipping around the planet at a mind-boggling 1,300 miles per hour. Just imagine trying to establish a human colony in these conditions. The extreme cold would freeze our machinery, making it useless. The violent winds would tear apart any structures we managed to build. And there's another problem, the lack of a solid surface. Both Uranus and Neptune are gas giants, meaning they're composed mostly of swirling gases and ices. There's no solid ground to build on. In other words, human survival on Uranus and Neptune as we currently understand it is unthinkable. We simply don't have the technology needed to survive in such extreme and hostile conditions. So, while these ice giants may be fascinating to study from the safety of our home planet, they're not suitable for human habitation. Their mesmerizing blue hues are deceptive, hiding the harsh realities of their environments. Thus, the ice giants, despite their mesmerizing blue, are far from being our new home. So, where does this interstellar journey leave us? As we've traveled through our solar system, we've explored the potential and the pitfalls of life beyond our home planet Earth. From the red terrain of Mars with its tantalizing clues of water to the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, whose inhospitable atmospheres and crushing pressures defy our current understanding of survival. We've stepped onto the ringed beauty of Saturn, a world of extremes where the conditions are so harsh it's hard to imagine life as we know it enduring. Yet the mysteries of its moons hold out hope for the unexpected. We've journeyed to the distant ice giants Uranus and Neptune. Even in their frigid, storm-ridden environments where temperatures can plunge to unimaginably cold degrees, we've pondered the resilience of life and its ability to adapt and thrive against the odds. Yes, the challenges are vast, the distances immense, the environments unforgiving, yet the human spirit thrives on exploration and the pursuit of knowledge. Each planet, each moon, each asteroid and comet we encounter redefines our understanding of life and its potential habitats. The search for life beyond Earth is a testament to our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our capacity for wonder. It's a quest that requires us to push the boundaries of science and technology, to think beyond what we know and where we've been. But let's not forget, our best bet for survival still remains right here, on our beautiful blue planet. Earth, with its abundant life, diverse ecosystems, and favorable conditions, continues to be our most suitable home. However, this doesn't mean we should stop looking, stop exploring. Our journey through the cosmos has just begun. The universe, as vast and as mysterious as it is, beckons us to continue our search, to keep asking questions. While Earth remains our best bet for now, the quest for a new home in the cosmos continues. After all, the universe is full of surprises, isn't it?